for a buyer's side, I've seen them get the best deal they've gotten I've seen all year.
Absolutely. And I've just closed on a new construction.
Yep.
And new construction, oh my gosh, the builders are offering so many incentives. This one had like $28,000 worth of incentives.
Yeah.
So they bought down the rates.
Yeah,
So,
and that's really a hack. Exactly. The hack is, you can put those towards amenities in your home and things like that for sure. Or you can go buy down that rate and get yourself a 2-to-1 buy down. But we've had some good news with rates, especially in November. Oh my gosh, it's been kind of
good news.
We got really good news.
Yeah.
And it's down 0.5%, 0.56 from last month.
Yeah, because we were up to 8.
That's dramatic. I mean, that's $200, $300, even possibly sometimes more depending on the lender, off of your monthly payment, y'all. Like that's huge.
Yeah, this is finally some good news for our buyers in the market.
And really, in your career, you've seen the swings. So you have seen 2008, 2009, which was truly a buyer's market, just about as extreme a buyer's market as we've seen probably in your career, I would guess. And then you have what we saw in 2021, 2022, which was the flip.